What percent of the yard shown below is covered by the swimming pool? Round your answer to the nearest whole percent. So we want to find out what percent this circle is of this rectangle. So whenever you want to find the percent of something, you divide the smaller number by the larger number. But we don't know what the numbers are we need to divide by. First we need to calculate. We need to calculate the area of this and the area of this, because that's how much it's covering, however big this is. We don't know exactly. So let's do the circle first. The area of a circle is found by using the formula A equals pi r squared. Alright, we can plug in 3.14 for pi. Now we just need to know what r is for this circle. R is the radius. The radius isn't labeled, but we see that the distance from this side to this side is 24 feet. And since the circle touches this side and touches this side, that means the circle is 24 feet wide. That's the diameter of the circle. So we know that, so all we need to do is divide by 2, and that will give us the radius. 24 divided by 2 is 12, so the radius is 12. So we plug that in. A equals 3.14 times the radius squared. So 12 squared is 144. So A equals 3.14 times 144. Remember, according to the order of operations, we should do this first, the exponent, right? 12 squared, instead of multiplying 3.14 by 12, because exponents come before multiplication in the PEMDAS order. So we do that first. So now we just multiply 3.14 by 144, and the area of the circle is 452.16 feet squared. Now we find the area of the whole yard, and for that we use A equals length times width. Now these are both labeled, so all we do is multiply 36 by 48, and we get 1,728 feet squared. Now the question is, what percent of the yard is covered by the swimming pool? So what percent of the yard is this? Right? Looks like, if you just look at it, we're thinking around more than 25%, but less than 33%. So just using common sense, our answer should be in that range, but we need to calculate it. So it's probably going to be one of these two, but to be sure, we calculate it. And the way you find what percent something is of something else is you divide the smaller one by the larger one. Right? So the smaller one is the pool, 452.16, divided by the larger area, which is the whole yard here, divided by 1728, and we get a decimal. All right, we get something like 0.26167. We can round up. All right, so we have a decimal, but we need to answer in a percent. And whenever you change a decimal to a percent, you move the decimal 2 points to the right. 1, 2. Right, and get rid of that one. So we've got 26 and add the percent sign. Our answer is 26%. And that makes sense. That's what we thought it would be, around there. So we can be confirmed by common sense that 26% is the right answer.